The president was picking them. The president wants to pick them. Okay, so we can't start this meeting now. We start with prayers. Salome Al-Fatiha. Auzubillahiminasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Akbar. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us. Okay, so I'm going to announce the Chief Minister for the program.
Thank you very much. Mr. Patamala here, but we don't get much time.
One country! You look at some of you know that, don't forget here. One country! One people! Madapie! Yeah, we know you have to be a Greenland. We know that SABP is strong with this and colonial street. But we look at some, don't forget. We don't waste more time. We're going to get 3 more meetings. Straight away, we'll go to the region chief to welcome the president, His Excellency, Dr. Julius Madabio. Region chief, sir. Madabio! Madabio! His Excellency, Honorable Vice President, First Lady, Madam Fatima Dabibie, Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, Parliament chiefs, government officers, local authorities, members of the Fourth Estate, our security, both soldiers and the police. The report. Can I clap for that way? We all know how the road is very, very important to me. Because of the bad road, but with the good development, they will maybe get an area. Let us go. Also, because of the bad road, we don't have to We produce them. Forget about that. Produce. Now, people will be the production and go. Let us say, what we don't do is we don't know what to happen at Guinea. Let us say, then they are say, those guys who they use, they don't know what they use. But the friend look out of it, they use. Let us say, because of bad roads. But this good information, all they may say, they don't take bad, but they say, they don't have to know. And they say, you don't see that to me. We don't know sooner. The road open the road at Didi, all the way to the road at Didi. We have to know what animals do this. To pay for the aid. Let us say, so about those president agency, we ask God to let us so that this project will complete quick. When they also go ask us, they are what they're going to do. We ask us, what they're going to work in them. We ask us, President Ye, we want to be plenty thank you for free quality education, bring up mathematical to we all know what people have to say. Then the next layer, we get TSS. But this one time, we don't get TSS for the school also. But this year, Mr. President, the school will not get structure. If I can tell you, because of what accept the TSS, because of no go back to the Bedu, we accept we were slaves. That is to be the right now. They were slaves, that is to be the go. We get structure around the family, the community people. We don't continue to be a structure. We don't almost move the structure. We don't know for plaster the structure, for sealer, painting, toilet, and pump. So kindly, Mr. President, before the structure of the new DSS to the camp, please, for Pule Pidile Nadar Ashmin, for Pule Nasto, dear Papa, I want to look, let us proof of complete that structure where they are. We also have to follow the center for MPSC. We begin accident now, but one of the other teacher. When we get a beginning and go, if I get accident, it needs to 40 foot. I don't know if the man can select down the back and shop. So we glad the one get center there. So beginning when I ready again, to go with MPSC again. Let us say, so Papa, MPSC will tell you 20 for that. We also thank you for the easy access to public exam. Brother, we pay money for now we go access to begin a research also. But now we all going to look at funding with the small we access to begin a research. Let us say, Papa government, we want to thank you. For also, if we get problem that the Congo European Easter will not get bridge at the place. But with your help, we will get 4 contact bridge from the Sierra Paso to lead to Kute. So, 2020 for that later. We also tell you 2020 for the free medical medicine. But that we study, one thing you say, the free medical drugs, they become now slow. So we want for the urge, for that government will every done. We also say the kind of private talk,
this chiefdom, na SFPP chiefdom. All the stuff in all that na Tuli Kakaba inside. That property is here also, na Tuli Kakaba inside. The hospital that went to the chiefdom, na Tuli Kakaba inside. I want to tell you, say, the hospital then would need for rehabilitation. They don't get problem there. Because 30 years down, we don't get education. Also, I want to say, I'm not saying no problem there. The problem is I like something. I want to say, the water we get, we don't tell you we get, but it's not sufficient for me. If I tell you this one big town like you more than 100 houses, I only one pump we get. Only one hand pump now we get. That is the that any week with the maintenance app. So on our leg can do our own. But we need solar pump. Don't stop to solar no more. We can thank them so that we will put them. So that even the hospital, you not get water, if I don't lie. We get patients pass the camp, we get cobra pass the camp. So we need solar water now. We got a pump now, but can't the solar no more. Then the water will come up so that the distributors now they place. So we also want to tell you say, if you come on Japan, you will see solar light. If you go you will see solar light. If you can't cover do, you will see solar light. So one time of the law, but I don't know we are also part of the law this the National Table of Prevention, although they far. We cannot kill with the money then you don't have commission for the road. The road now they enjoy them with the keep you one back and keep you one back. But from today now, with the program level teachers, that is road complete. After that for agriculture. Agriculture so will tell you plenty in agriculture. Last year, you support the youth with seed. We will tell you say, we don't cut this rice, we don't harvest them, we don't knock them, we don't knock them, we don't put out the house, but we not do store. We not get for at the farm. So we use store, we don't do store. So we also put our store in other security. So when the time they come from the north, let go. It puts one the small vessel that day, you don't let them go. So we need store and transfer. So then in case we also need Powertilla. The Powertilla they become the Moku. Whatever you do for this, maybe Powertilla by zero. So that will empower the Muslims. They tell you that I do, so that the rope will do the rope. So then, quick meal for them. The first of time, I will stop here. Because one is what the power can top. I have a talk here, no shoot and ice. What the power they can top, then go shoot and ice. But I also want to use the opportunity to the Chief Minister for say of this market. We get 150 calendar, we get contributors for you and the mommy. So Chief Minister, if you come here, you will get take up. Tell the contributors let them put our look there. So mathematical, I tell my plenty, all my time to get a family city. So I wish you all good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You don't talk the father, you don't win the cause. Quick one. What are the youth leader I am? So can talk small, 2 minutes. So which one are they are? What are leader? Or they don't talk about the problem. Quick one, 2 minutes.
Power to the youth! Power to the youth! members of parliament, paramount chiefs, all authorities, on behalf of the youth, we tell the party for the visit where it comes for visit people in today. We tell about 2020 thank you for the visit of we also tell about thank you free for the free quality education for a gift for the people in Ladi. As you know, you students here, they do well. I'm also to tell the party for the minister of Youth Affairs, where he gives support to the district youth council. Training that don't happen towards the youth to tell the party. And also the fire dream when it comes in this country for the agriculture for all water to the telepathy, the youth of Macedon, put hand under your word and we don't let you walk down. We know a very big large pump. Now we don't have it. The promoting battle, the one that fought, now we do an harvesting. The youth are not too strong. So you see say you dream when you talk, they happen, it don't happen. Don't like I say talk and do. We don't talk and we don't do it. We give you high support. We campaign and we win. We campaign and we win. Okay, we campaign and we send the party you dream. Let me stop the ending. Then you continue towards the agriculture and this country. Then you put agriculture business. So we talk to the bar, let help the youth. The youth are really ready for help towards the development where in the town Nadi Kingdom. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Don't make a deep point. Without your little battle, you can't answer. Where are the woman leader there? He said, can't talk small, eh?
Now, good morning. Good afternoon. The bar, Mr. Manda Bio, Fatima Bio, who they tell you plenty thank you. Una come out now, una come out freedom with 12 body. Now God make una go back to 12 body. Now God bless una. Una the help una this, my pendrive, and now God bless una. We the woman that say for Gladys, well una don't count. They tell una thank you. More the school business, well una don't count. Say my pendrive. The guy the father they say the water business more. Inside my pendrive, you know it's for we. We not get better by them back inside my pendrive. So the father and the mommy one don't count. So we are there una help we. The woman that say for there. If mother dies, begin and then they go school, but knowledge. Mr. Mother Bio, Fatima Bio, they not there. So, if you don't come, you can tell you now this time they are not going to step on ya. Then the first time, you then woman business side, you know they get money for do business. You the friends, but yeah, part of business on the road they come. So they get money for do business, you know they. So they buy the money, they are the control. They are happy. The Macedon, we are the town of that country, Macedon. From the beginning, for the president, inside Macedon, and the first send it. So the president is Macedon. For welcome you, inside Macedon.
Hello. Okay. The people that they are, the young man they don't talk, the woman they don't talk. But the community we don't decide say one stakeholder for talk. And this stakeholder, the example of the example of a success story where President Bill for. Then I know my capital development. Somebody will go school now, will start school now, will find himself at the international level, just from this village. To any other person. The person will come out of this small town or this big town where a son and brother don't marry them. Sit out, fight. As a community say no.
Vice President, Mama, Wipiki, Sister, Atinabio, Cabinet Ministers, Wipiki, Dr. Senge, the town of Turkey, they welcome her. President, now this village, now this big town for us. As they say, I don't tell the people that say, now when they see President, they say no. Now you're not the first president. They say head of state of Ghana. I say, but they say president. So we appreciate very much. When you can help to entourage, we don't see president, we don't see VP, we don't see first lady, we don't see minister of education. And the first time, Excellency, I go school for 1 year, that RC school. I come on there, I go to KSS, UMC Gas, I go KSS, I go from Aniwash, I go from Ekole, I go United Kingdom already. At this village. I joined United Nations. I be the first woman UN representative in this country. At this village. President, when I come back, I come to my village. I didn't say DSS not there. I say, DSS not there. I say, not there. They say from West Sababu project in Ghana, Dr. Uri brings Sababu project. Now they tap. No development not take place. I wrote to Dr. Senge, let him up, let him I said this government, your education. He said, I'm not going to start to the school under a mango tree. Well, we're not going to mango tree, we're going to start to school in Smith. Well, we're there for 2 now. We're there for a standard primary JSF at this region. President, we can't organize the woman there. That t-shirt they want to get. We can't join concerned women of Kono district. We project that beats to the grow. Whether man they grow rice, maybe they grow beans. Because plantains no dey. Now once a week they go market. Na Guinea. On Mondays. Sundays if they get transport, they go to one store where they call Ibeda. Then pass Komadu. Now they go market. And the water talk where they talk. Now this store where they grow up, with my mother they not be the big today or they throw the water. They throw my water and they cry 2 days. Because the value where they are and then they go get. And the drinking water they 2 kilometers away. And they make the horn 4 o'clock we go get water. So all them cry there, the Jenny cry there, I can attest to them, and if you want to for appeal. Now you bring my capital development where they talk about. There are so many Sitaka guys that are Mr. President. Well, we need for give them capacity for let them become Sitaka. Beginning there, they go school, don't that. They say the road not wide enough for let go see. But if we ever get the school, so many Sitaka guys they go Canada, they go come on. The WFP coordinator, now get can do them 42 come down, now maybe they have burger, now maybe they the distribution. So there's a believe Baku, they believe in gas education. We provide them believe in them. They give you equal opportunity. So, Mr. President, we welcome you. We are overjoyed. We are overwhelmed with joy for our visit. Thank you for waiting. Mr. Senge, thank you. Dr. Judah Jallo, he be the car holiday and one of them also. So, I hope this. I hope this. So, we thank you very much. We thank you. Dr. J.J. Safa, Mr. Safa, you are development practitioner. Mr. Safa Grab, this is the example where you empower white people and put it here, he said, if the people that want serve, if they work in a working bank, if come on there, one back home, he said, I want the job. He said, he wants serve in party. So we don't say, we not clap for her. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Antisita Kaikai. Well, an example of a woman. But again, the women's empowerment through different strategies, different things the way they happen in the country. We get somebody with the loudest voice. The loudest voice, who said we'll get some time, let it tell one number for just make the woman they know say if we are all somewhere, we are going to all side of the world. But on anybody that did Mami said. Mrs. Fatima W. Bureau.
Assalamu alaikum. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone, Honorable Vice President, Antisita, Mr. James, our Chief Minister, I'm really happy for the night today. Myself na kono piki mona the first day where they come na den saya. They say, if you don't go meet the people there, you don't go sabi them problems then. So I'm glad you will get the chance to come to this place. And I know the no say na Antisita come out. I be teaching up to go. Because when you say I go put you at the CRD, but now I don't understand say for real na me real Nancy. Because na for no come out. We also say na president way they go meeting people them. You know, they sit down for wait, let ministers then come for counsel and the people in problems then. Except go, they go meet the people there. Because now through the journey here, what we do, now we dey sabi, waiting the people in problems. Now we go sabi, other than the woman they waiting at this fire. Now you go know how many girl pickings they at this fire where they suffer. Now for let you ask for a school. I say yes now for all the beginning, but that school day, if the government give them to this kind of place, and will protect the picking them. And that one day for me, now something was very much important. So, Mr. Betel for joining and sister for ask the government of Sierra Leone to let them provide school, especially for places where the girl picking the one for land. Because when we allow the girl picking them for land book, they change this country here. It don't mean say when man land book na bad thing. But when girl picking land book, una lepa ke me okule mo. I believe say una always get girl picking them, una know say girl picking them is sorry for the parents them. Girl picking the sorry for the parents them. And the reason that one they mean an example of that girl picking. My mama Yvonne Boku boy picking them. Me na one of the girl picking the way born. But alhamdulillah today, I believe say you no go talk no more na public, but you go say if na Fatima wanna be born in nobody. So here, me na beg at the beg. I don't go around the campaign for hands off our girls. And the word hands off our girls, it means say they man them, therefore left them picking them, let them allow them, let them go to school. The word hands off our girls, it don't mean say when you picking, you don't see her, you don't grow, you able for cook, means say you don't reach for be woman. When we go around and they tell people, they say hands off our girls. Not force you picking for go get and married where you not ready. Because as they tell una, most of the women there where they die in this country are where go born picking. Now there's small picking there. Now then they die in hospitals. Now then they die and they host them where they get belly for born. Where picking not ready for born. If you get to man, the man they go get belly. And as long as the picking in body not ready, you don't get in trouble. So that dowry where you don't take for you picking and give to that man, say let go marry them. Say before you picking they die after 1 year, the dowry don't done. Then some say you don't go get money, except for bury picking. And the man where you don't get into, inside 6 months you don't go marry other woman. If you forget say if you married you picking, you don't die in hand. So you I mean a beg and a beg una. No una allow una picking them. No una allow when you see girl picking is serious for go school. Allow her make you go school. When girl picking land, then they change the world. When you give girl picking that chance for let a land book. I know say you go get girl picking away and they talk to them, go say and see me on bread down butter. But I once let the girl picking no say, if I not be land book, mother be another married me. Because nobody, no president, no minister will tell you, any minister, self way get work, we no land book, they're not in common at all. So if you want let you begin, be that woman, where president sit down, you begin sit down. Where minister sit down, you begin sit down. Give them the chance, make a land book. Because where land book, even the man where they marry them, they respect them. So at the beg una dear. Don't allow the picking them, the girl picking them, and at the consummate the join una for beg the government. Let them give them the school, the facility where they need for let them go to school. Let them give them. So that they self will be somebody in this country here. Now I don't hear my sister they talk about the women empowerment there. And also with mama them, some the why they talk to me mama self na be that kind of person. When I not understand the reason why I make this priority where they talk about for we allow we picking them, make them, let them go to school. Me self na been victim of that one day. I did 11 years when my mama and my papa then don't sign for give me for marriage. Me na maningo picking. 11 years. And no, that man who have been called uncle, every day they come at my house, uncle. One day my mama and my papa then turn to me, they say, now this girl for married you. From that moment, I don't even know if I want finish school, I don't want finish school, because what I care for already, they don't go bring for me one part, they say, now get for married me. Now if you God, war na bad thing, mommy na the war saved me. Because if the one of him come, I no go sabi mad at you. So tell that man he don't marry me. So tell the first day one before go try for born pikin. Now that day therefore don't die. Me you don't, they don't forget about me by now. But when the war come, God make I able for come out to say me mama and me papa them day. I find me way and reach England. When I go England, I not go do idleness. I go learn book. I don't learn book and come back. And today when me mama and me papa then they sit down and they look me in my eye, every day they remind them. I say, when I member of una been give me to that man, waiting before don't happen, I know they sit down a president he was. So dear, no be that papa or that mama, when picking will remind you tomorrow, say, if not so you been do me this, I for don't better. And the beg una. I know say this na tough thing, this na hard thing, especially for me Muslim family there because as sabi. And I know say now we specialize in 1990. But even in the Quran, God not say let first begin. Any sign of the Quran where they write and say God say first begin for marriage. If you show me, I swear they left this campaign. You know there are no surah. Because I sabi the Quran like you. You know there are no surah. Then they say Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam he married Aisha where he's small. But he not care about in house. He wait say he be a woman. Pikin na pikin. Lord allow them, let them be pikin. Let them done their school, let them finish their school. So I want to say thank you. When God don't bless we so now today, President Bio, he can't fix this road. By the grace of God, even without this road. I want to know say I no go turn stranger to una again. When God don't bring me here, I'm going to defend myself my own way for the time to go to una and can't talk to una. Let God bless you all. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello. Now this team the man say ampo. Until London, the man don't answer. That is all? Yeah, the man don't answer. Thank you very much, Madam Fatima Bill. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we don't can the talk on here report. The power get what they call inclusive development, meaning every part of Sierra Leone. I'm glad they want to talk say why the president reach it. Because the president left to the reach it. But he don't start saying at the border it is start development. But the thing they want to ask for, we know the talker. We like a customer, they just tell we say shoe with the shoe. As it said, no more we go from, yeah? So with the wait now, when I pray God, friend, which will not talk, which is the answer, yeah? How am I not big for now? On this note, I ask the president, your president, His Excellency, retired Brigadier Dr. Julius Madapio, for talking to you family now. Thank you.
Madam First Lady, the Honorable Vice President, Chief Minister, Ministers, Deputy Ministers, the Members of Parliament within Aya, the Chiefdom Elders, including the Regent Chief, the big woman them, and the seven Adu. Kupikile Ndea. Kupikile Ndea. Young man Ndea. Diary Ndea. Diary Ndea. Okay, we're all Monday. Okay, I'm glad for the Mafidon back today because waiting the Chief Minister called inclusive. That means say we young Camu Council. Anything we do not free of, we make sure they will not get to our own. When they say SFPP, when I'm in a party, Mafidon in particular, I want for Mekuna to be proud of una party. Because na Kumbra party. You know what Kumbra they say? They make sure say all man get also. Kumbra, even if you elect the other one, they make sure say all man get. As soon as I don't cry for certain things they will not get. But the one big problem we have been get when at the road to come on for do for Canada. What are they make? plenty of the things they ask for, it go easy for bring Canada. But we tell us the people in there do we know one in Canada. Well, under we own government, it's not going to be so. Because road badu, once Macedona part of Salon, we get for make sure say una say get to na your market na ya. Because this road they can make, not a road for go free to no more, it get for big international road. Because when remember say if you come out Gogedu and you want to go Conakry, the roadway they take from Gogedu is nicer, Guinea no more in the past. You do over 1,100 kilometers. But if you pass Naya, you hit my Shaka, and then you want to go Conakry, it will be less than 600 kilometers. That's half the distance. So that means say, Wusa will be the go, now then go for the car Naya now. So she's not already, because here they can open. And when I know why we do that, we say we have for benefit from SFPP because Buna na proper green activity on this. We don't always see SFPP. We fix the Fortuna and we are proud. I don't kind of that the second time this and when they say the road bad, I say once they did them after Mr. We now education we start for. We stand for the government. Let me put the work ourselves. The Minister of Basic and Senior Secondary Education is there with me. And you don't confirm say we go put on your junior secondary school now. When I say when I not get the examination center, you don't can and also we will make sure that we maintain an yeah. When I get one way for now for this one also. When the Minister of Water Resources today, it's planned already. Okay, we will make sure that we get what we call solar powered borehole. Where you don't need for go pull the water, the power they send up at the tank, then they keep train way for distributor at the zone, so that when we get different pipeline, tap lane, inside you go open there, you get clean water for drink. Of course, for Kamanaya, what thing I want for me pay attention to first, that the big road for Kanaya. So that in Kamanaya, you go reach Freetown, and like now old motokai get. That's why they are sitting with the car more frequently. Then, we brothers and sisters will come up with you. You're going to find it easy for Ghana now. But the way this road is there, I shall say, sit as yourself. You're going to come, but you're not going to come as frequent as how you will not go see. We'll make this road. So then every Saturday, you will not come. Because not a long distance. Now, bad number the road bad. Now, that make we your business for make sure they will not get this road, yeah? So that means the agriculture business, really your money they talk about, we not pay attention to that. That produce the will not be the care going to Guinea, we go for the car and go down at Kwaidu. Because where they can me, yeah, all them at the bush, as system at the plant, plenty coffee and cocoa. We get other produce there, we don't come. Where we get for introduce, so that we not go get money in a bush. Bush get money. Agriculture get money. I'm glad for when I don't begin the rest business. Last year we not able to arrange them properly. But when I said they do plenty rest business there. And you're in agriculture area. So that support will get for give. Now for make sure say we extend not a small garden that you will make. Cocoa enough of this small, cacao enough of this small place. Now for enlarge the way to serve them. Maybe hundreds of acres. Coffee themselves, banana, plantain and rest. That way they will not be able to make money where decent for take care of themselves. Of course, if we get for do that one day, depending on how big we actually do, not to just dry floor and store we need. We get a small machine there where you don't cut the rest, you put a day in the cleaner for you, but before you clean it, one for multi parboil them, then the parboil them, you dry them, you clean them, you put in a bag. I think say this part of the country, the traveling kind machine there. If they talk about power tiller then, and I think that the kind ecology, the kind place they own again, let me they talk about power tiller. But we don't begin buying tractors as a government, and we distribute them tractors then. And some of the places that we have seen are tractors they will play. So we don't want gardening. We want for plant rest. When they rest, we have no need for buy with man rest. They can land the way I see, and the way we want land fertile. So we will talk about that one day. But the big obstacle, the one thing where they make we not able to and see for we say 9 at this road. And this road we don't start on today, and we make sure say we not an ordinary road, not tar road where they can pass. So much is done. That darkness we have been there. We all man we don't forget to now. But we not forget. We not keep. We not promise to SFPP. SFPP. Digits know where they keep them out. He said from where SFPP do the health center. That health center said we go for rehabilitation. We get for make sure say everything we need now. Chief Minister, before them will get a mini grid now, me responsible for 10 lights then. When I deserve them because when I don't work for them, when I don't show waiting with man called loyalty. Wait, say na ya you dey, you might be tracker one. All man knows say that they dey. So, must you know? They say now when I then at the end of the world, not so? Well, we know not, we time they come, we know not to go Guinea again. Now Guinea will be time. Now so many government they are, now inclusive. We want anything where we they do for picking them. Now freedom, we for do for them one day. Where Chief Minister of the talk, he said we'll get one example. Mrs. Kaikai, not so. Mrs. Kaikai, Nayari, come on, I have school. But you don't ever use her. Oh, I come on at the end of the world. So me, at the sit down, luckily for we, if Papa and Mama, they don't make you married when it's small, you don't finish his school. Now, not to read person, but you get a roof over your head. If you go to any partner in the world, and of course you don't go to plenty partner in the world, in the work, woman, once it's a big book, then they respect you any side of the world. You don't work for some of the biggest international organizations that are the world. Now that make we say, man, bring them to kill the Naya. And the sister among them one they are so easy don't so. And the one they will do. Now opportunity no more forgive them. When I give them chance. If when sister they go to school, they not be give a chance, they not for the sister. Now other sister if I don't be. But the sister will get so a different sister. And it is. And the children get picking there, they see the young man themselves. When they talk about the get picking there, they say they jealous. No, so they say nobody knows they talk for me. They boy picking and they you know. Now the woman they no more will be the talk for now. Because they will not talk as trouble for me. They want to get in the north, so and they beg now, where they go to school. The only way for save this Mafindo, for saving our parents, the way they linear and not where they put power now for go school. Learn the book, Shanga one. Once you study that book there, I know they say you know the go. But I hand so much, and your mama and your daddy, the Bible say you'll be able to take care of them. The mommy and the daddy then, why will they take care of them taking their so will they put money on them? When they some man where you don't know who said they say the ground dry. When you get money, and they put up at the one there because now for una sake, the tower una the old, the one there and then they take care of una. But they will only able to take care of una if they get the proper education. Yes? So now on our behalf, we dey spend so. That loan where you dey go take for make them go school. Now you not go for take am. We dey buy books for them, we dey pay for examination for them, and we dey make sure say some side and day inside things tranga, bad one, we dey provide even food for them. Now them big toilet. Maybe where my friend don't big small, then the third day. So they will give now one small boy, so let's say with the blood free. Now when they talk camel. Now when they talk camel. Because you don't know what they can get, because you don't go right there. But until they make the road, if they make a smooth one, take a then the bus will drive, you know. My finos they begin them with the Sedona bus now. When I have this Sedona bus, yes, sir. When I go to wave now, they can't pick them. Now, free to whether it's Sedona, whether they see me, that's what they wave through. Then when I say go to block there, now this SFPP, now I don't know what we come for make sure say we spend for them when I pick there, because I then get for take care of them. All I go for me. I don't know if we can and give them money, but that money we government get. Any picking, like we feel say that when I get for even asking for school. No, now we responsibility. We take all of that off on our head. Let them pick in the hand. We don't know what they get for me. So much of that. Now when I get for get one day president, not so. Just to pick it anybody want to be president? How many? You see, my people don't get plenty president next year. Let's go and go for it for me. My people don't get plenty president. Almost one for the North Day. But they want it. North Day. Now North Day, then they take care of now, yeah? Mommy North Day, I see two North Day there. You see, now they want to take care of now. If you wait with day at the end of the world, now they want to take care of now. When I thank you very much, I recognize and acknowledge the kind of work that they do. And acknowledge for sooner at the end of the world, when I did now, when they represent government, and when they take care of the one there, with a 20 donor. Teacher now the most wonderful people they don't want to Now the most wonderful people they know we always see this 20 talk they talk so. If they talk English with the bluff, now they want to teach you. Now they teach we, say we don't reach here. Now they come more than any self said they we not for the support them. Because school, when they talk about school quality education, now they teach them. So we not for the as a community, now for the support them. When we get good teacher, they better teach them to get there. Then one day, then now in fact, when I know it's I don't do for again. I don't make the road for Bonaquet. We can't make the road for Bonaquet, you know so? We don't want to get them on a train. We don't open university in Akwedu town. So that young man and that woman there, they're not going to go free to know. The Akwedu University of Science and Technology. Now they're there and they are going to go. The book where they go land, he says no one they land. So for now, we don't get everything because we deserve them. And me, at the blog told the minister the other day, say that university is going to be one of the best universities there. Because for not people, they're able to learn book. So that challenge, we are not make a shame of. Yeah? The stupid there? So I don't talk for now. Then them, the young man then a big no give chance to the young girl them let them learn. When they self learn, as we don't see, one simple example and the sitter it will help. But just imagine if we get 5 or 10 of the kind. Now one nobody was not so, maybe other one then they will be not sabi. But when we talk about Mafindo, now and sister they think about first. Because I miss a bit. But if I get 5 of them, would they bring this? Would they bring that? Would they bring this? Mafindo they change. Now that are the essence, yeah? We get them boys picking them back. We don't know what they get for me. Now for push them. The best way, the world where they are ahead of we. If you don't start the book, you know the book benefit from it. I beg when I make me when I picking a land book. When you see Fulaman itself, then the land book say they get PhD now also. For the way they say Fulaman now wherever they remember also. Let me Fulaman, they get wherever take now. You get wherever. But you go to map any side. You go to map any side. Today I'll be the one that I say, wait, so you the one they can have. First one tell me they can have for holiday. Now you can tell me story. So everybody learn. I like you learn you Arabic, you Quran, learn the Islam book. This one, the one now for God, make it be the road for God to God. The other one, now for this world. Yeah? So at the time that plenty thanky. But if you know me, I'm glad for Canada. All man they said, some people they sit on a do. Me at the paper going under the road bad. I said, once people they didn't have enough. With the candy. And at the car we don't cancel. They are glad for Suna. Like always, now they give a big welcome. I'm glad for the things that way the chief donkey on behalf. And I'm glad for the Naya. And also the last time Naya. Like how Madam say, we will make the road so that we will carry her more often. When I thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. We will not clap on the power, not clap on the power. Thank you very much. Just one last talk. We are here to the pardon talk. Inclusive development and all money panel. What in Dr. Sanga the radical inclusion would have fit in so we go to far. And let me say we are the far, we are not get all thing. All thing we don't talk about the pardon give direction for here, the road that they make, the school that they will call, you know, you add clinic there, you don't talk about solar light, all thing. But more importantly, what you don't get by this vision, what I don't know about. And the fact say the mommy, hey, if you play the mommy in the house, if you don't in the house, the problem you go straight. The mommy said that I adopt Mafindo as one of the children there. So we go on there, we're very sure. Okay, if we don't join the chief, we go on a meeting there, the pass here, let